it's Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I want to talk about a term that's used out there, and it is a bad faith insurance claim. Practicing in bad faith. I'm referring this way because I have some notes that I put together here. A bad faith usually refers to the intentional or malicious refusal to perform a duty or contractual obligation, or to cause fraud or deception. Now, some of the situations are refusing to conduct a thorough and proper inspection of the damaged property, to go through the different rooms and to intently look to try to gather information of what has been damaged and what has not been damaged. Refusal to pay full value on the claim when the policy clearly states it allows X amount of coverage and you have suffered damage up to this coverage, and the insurance company just refuses, no, we're not going to pay that much. We're only going to give you a portion of that. That is now performing in bad faith. Just outright denying a claim without any really valid reason. That the coverage within the policy stated is there. The peril, the damage that was sustained by the homeowner is tied together. I mean, that's it. And they still go and deny the claim. Now, sometimes it's not the insurance adjuster's fault. There are certain processes and procedures that have been put together by the insurance companies that the insurance adjuster needs to follow. And when he does that, sometimes it takes him down some roads that are not the most fitting for a positive outcome for you. And that's what we're looking at doing. We're looking at you being treated fairly and honestly per the terms and conditions of the policy. And at times in these bad faith claims and bad faith actions, this is what happens. You do not get treated fairly. It limits and he is limited because he has to follow these certain procedures or his head's on the chopping block, right? So, sometimes it's not, when I talk about claims, a lot of times I say how the insurance adjusts. I'm not picking on him per se. He is representing the insurance company who has put together certain parameters he needs to function within. And there's where my beef is. That's the argument that I make, is that the rules and the regulations that were established and the guidelines for the insurance adjuster to follow going through a claims process are not the most fairest for you, the homeowner. They are devised and developed to benefit more on the insurance side, not on the homeowner side. So that's what we call practicing in bad faith, conducting yourself in bad faith. And this can go to court, and this can be a very technical, sticky issue of where a court can be ruled directly against the insurance company, or the decision will be ruled in the court, against the insurance company by practicing in bad faith. So guys, I thought I'd bring a new term to you there. I don't know if you've heard of that before or not. I would assume most people have not. But it's very interesting. It's very tricky. I mean, these things, this is not just something simple here. There's a lot involved with this, and that's why there are public adjusters to protect your rights. This is, we're not lawyers. Now, I get asked all the time, oh, well, like, you're a lawyer, right? No, I'm not a lawyer. I didn't go to school for 7 years. I didn't go and take any boards to get my degree and to pass the bar exam. I don't have any debt like you do when you usually go to school for that. There's no sheepskin on the wall there, just a picture that talks about leadership. But the point is, some of the duties that we perform are very, very similar and along the lines of what a lawyer does as well. That's really a connection between us and lawyers. Point is, get representation, get a public adjuster to take a look at things prior to filing a claim, or while you're filing a claim and now you can see it's sort of blowing up in your face. You see it's not going the way you want, right? You call up and the insurance adjuster's not responding to you in any timely fashion. You're getting letters that are stating and leading you down the path that, well, you know, we've discovered that this was certain damage. This damage appears to be fairly old. We'll be ruling on this shortly. Well, they're already setting you up to say that they're going to deny the claim, right? That's not something that you want to hear. Get a public adjuster. Call me, send me an email, give me some background information so we can go over things. We're here to help you.